All right, well, we're set up to take the first cut. A lot going on here. This obviously, another one of those logs I didn't measure. I just know it's going to be too big for the Wood-Mizer LT, but it's less about the size on this one, and it's about what I'm trying to do. We're making 4 8x8. That's going to be the final 4 8x8 timbers for a structure that we're going to be building here real quick out of this ash log. And at the root base down here, we're sitting at 36, 37, so we probably could get it over on the Wood-Mizer, but I really want to come in and make some nice clean cuts, and I'm actually going to rip these down so then I can put them onto the Wood-Mizer and clean them up and square them up and true them up and get them all that way. 60-inch Granberg's ready to go. Power heads of 661, and I did a whole bunch of extra more than I normally do blocking in here because I just want this ladder to not move at all. I don't want any wiggles as I go down this one. Sometimes a little wiggle's not bad, but not today. All right, we're gonna take this first cut off here, then we're gonna reset for this next cut. All right, first cut's done. Now we're gonna whack another one off. So we did a quick mill change. So this is the edger mill, as they call it, the edger mill, or the small mill attachment, and it puts it on a vertical plane. And I got our trusty sawhorses, which we made earlier this year, and it's split so I don't have to lift, so I should be able to run the blade right through and they'll stay up on there. And then we're close to getting at least one of these over to the sawmill and squared up for our 8x8. Excellent progress. We got the first cant onto the sawmill, so we're gonna get this one squared up at 8 inches. So I kind of measured everything cutting rough with the chainsaws 9 by 9. So I'm gonna come in and take the first cut at like 8.5. I'll save this top piece because we'll end up hopefully getting a 3-incher out of it for another part of the project. But aiming, do that 8.5, roll it over, get my clean 8, and then go to the other side and square it up from there. So it just happens to be a hot day too. There we go. The first of 4 8 by 8 almost clear ash timbers for the next project. There's number 2 and there's number 3 and 4. So we got a little work to do on those tomorrow, but we are going to get this one to the shop so we can start layout. Pretty damn sweet. First one is in the workshop. We've got 2 more to go, 3 more to go. So follow along as we get the next 3 into the workshop so we can get the layout done. But hey, Glenn here, Workshop at the Gardens. Cheers.